Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then let's tap on languages at the top and go to system languages. So here we've got the list of all currently added languages. We've got English and Spanish. So let's start with adding new one. Just tap on add the language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply scroll and find the language which you'd like to apply. So let me choose, I don't know which one, maybe Turkish. So just tap on the language and choose the region if you can. And as you can see, we just successfully added the language to the list. However, the English is still a main one in my case. So now all we have to do is to reorder the languages. So let's tap on the language and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Your device will ask you whether you'd like to change the language, so just tap on change to confirm. And now we've got Turkish language applied. As you can see, the whole system is displayed in this language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Tap on this right option to confirm, and we've got English applied. If you wish, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon and tap on remove. Then mark the languages which you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and here we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.